Hi, Sean with Sean's Outdoor Journeys. Today, I'm bringing you a dilemma that I had with my e-bike, trying to find a standard fish rack for my rods that can attach onto the back of my fender. And what I came up with was I found a Cabela's slash Bass Pro 4-position rod holder. Had it laying around in the garage. And what I figured I would do is just come in, basically cut it into 2 sections. And then what I did was I rounded off the edges. It just basically with the orbital sander. And what I came out with was this. I was really lucky because on the width of the 2 existing rod holders, it actually fit the framework of my e-bike. So what I'll do is I will show you exactly what I did when mounting it. It was super simple, and I took just zip ties, black. My bike is black, and then it was, like I said, easy enough for the layout that was there. Just spray painted it a flat black to match the bike, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, that's all I really did. I just mounted it to the cross framing of the bike, spray painted it a black matte. Actually touched it up with a Sharpie because when I sanded it, I probably should have used some sort of primer to accept the paint better on plastic. But I'm sure it'll be off and repaint it again. But it was pretty slick. It holds real well and nice and secure to the bike. I'll just put my hand out here, and hasn't gone anywhere so far. And I like this bike with the fat tires. You can get into a lot of access ways for both freshwater and for saltwater. Let me show you how. Actually, I have 2 rods. I have the 2 spinning rods that are here that I usually use on there.